is so empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly.
Hey guys, just thought I'd show you what I've been doing. Bit of a modification to fit a voltage. Well, it's a double USB charger and voltage monitor to my bike. Reason for this, one, obviously just gives you a voltage readout so you can see what voltage your battery's at, what voltage it's at when the engine's running. Make sure it's getting proper charge. Plus it's got two USB sockets so I can charge my GoPro batteries on the move. So basically, and obviously I wired it up, negative, positive. Wire's been taped and tucked under there. There's the plug. Probably just going to store the plug a little place there. That'll be covered by the seat, and when I do use it, obviously I've got this wire here to plug into there, and then you probably can't see it. You probably can't, but there's a channel on the Versys that runs up the fairing. Sorry, I've got crap light in my shed, but there is a channel there. Runs up the Versys and then into the divvy box at the back of the box there. As you can see, for connections, it's a waterproof, so push the wire in there. Should have really demonstrated all this, but so basically it'll run up here into the back of the box, run up here into the back of the box, have the GoPro in there, well the GoPro batteries to charge in there on the go. So I'll just plug it in, see what we're reading at the moment. Bike's been stood for a couple of days, so that's not bad. 12.3. See what it jumps to when we fire it up. Like it's settling there about 13, I don't know, 13.7, 13.8, 13.7, 13.8 volts. So the battery's definitely going to be getting, oh, jumped up to 14. Well, the battery's definitely going to be getting a good charge. Not really had any problems with the battery. I think I've had a flat battery once. But I've got an Oxford charger in here, so that keeps it charged. I've not had the charger on actually, but I've only really had to use that winter. But I have had a flat battery one winter when the bike was stood for a couple of weeks before I got the battery charger. But yeah, it's definitely getting a good charge. See what it drops down to, what it settles at. 12.6. So it's settling at 12.6 here. That's basically it. only cheap. It costs about 8 or 9 quid on eBay. Doesn't come, just unplug it, just comes as that bit, and then this wire with the 2 ring connectors on. Quite a long wire, I've had to fold it up a couple of times. It was about 3 quid, 2 quid, so all in all about a tenner. Like so. Store that down there, out the way, and then when it's in use, plug it in, run it up this channel into the back of the bag, all safe and waterproof in the bag and charging. Right, thanks for watching, bye.